tortured by some spell. Mirror, mirror on the wall, please save me from this hell.
Snow and Charming made a wish. Now everything has changed.
Oh great, you're singing too. This whole thing is deranged.
A smell as strong as this won't be easy to defeat. Your curse might not succeed with your kingdom singing songs so sweet.
It's time to work, let's go. Not a thing to make me bristle. With a hi, hi, hi and a ho, 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 I'll mime that line and whistle. He's really not a toy. There's a lifetime to enjoy the happy things. He's got the strings, 'cause he's my real boy.
La la, princess on her way. La la, though I'm old and gray, happy times are here to stay.
He found a lucky break. Now let us all show the powerful magic we can make.
So, the Charmings think their love is strong enough to defeat me? Well, there's one thing they don't know. Mirror, mirror could not be clearer, and love is a waste of time. I'm here to tell you with love's magic spell, you cannot match the power of mine. Once I loved and once I learned, love is weakness of will